Hi everybody, in this video let's learn about mean, mode and median. Actually in the primary school you already learned about this trait. So mean is a 平均 burrata. You take all the value, all the data plus together divided by the number of data. Or if you are given a frequency table, we will use this another formula. Sum of fx means that you take the frequency times the data, all do the same thing, then you add up all together divided by the total frequency. Okay, so later I will show you some example about this. Mode is the data which has the highest frequency, and median is the middle value. Means that the data located in the middle of the set of data. But you have to be extra careful when you determine the median. You have to arrange all the data nicely in an ascending order, means that from the smallest to the largest, or ascending the data in an descending order, largest to smallest, before you start to determine the median. Personally, I always arrange the data in an ascending order, means that from the smallest to the largest. It's all up to you. If you want to arrange the data in an descending order, no problem. You will get exactly the same answer. Okay, now look at this example. The data below show the daily pocket money is RM received by 10 students. I have 10 data over here, but you will notice that this data just give us randomly. We do not, the question haven't arranged the data nicely. So what's the first thing we want to do? If the question asks us to determine the median, we need to make sure that the data arranged nicely in an ascending order or descending order first before we determine the median. Okay. So let me arrange this data in an ascending order first. Means that from the smallest to the largest. Okay, the smallest will be 3. And then I have 1 time only 3. And then go to 4, 4 1 time. And then go to 5, 5 I have 2 time. Means that the frequency for 5 is 2. And 6 I have 3 times. The frequency for 6 is 3 times. And then I have 11 2 times. And the last one is 13. Okay, let me double check correct or not. I have 10 data over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, correct. So I already arranged all this data nicely. Then I can start to determine the median. Okay, first let's go to mode first. Mode is the data which has the highest frequency. So the frequency for 3 is only 1. The frequency for 4 is 1. The frequency for 5 is 2. The frequency for 6 is 3. The frequency for 11 is 2. And the frequency for 13 is 1. Now I have 3 times, right? This 6 has the highest frequency, which is 3. So the mode is RM 6. Okay, how about mean? Sum of x divided by the number of data. Sum of x means that we take all these plus together. 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on. Okay, let me copy down all first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I have 10 data over here. 3 4 5 5 6 6 6 11 11 13. So I have 10 data over here. So the number of data will be 10. Okay, just use your calculator to help you. So this all add up together. You should be able to get 70 divided by 10. So our answer, the mean is RM 7. Okay, this is the answer for mode, and this is the answer for mean. Okay, Next, go to median. Median is the middle value. Okay, if the total number of data is even, okay, let me give you an example. I have 2, 3, 4, 6, 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the n is equal to 5. This is an odd number. So we know that there is only one middle value. Okay, we try to test. 1, cut here, left cut 1, right cut 1. Okay, one middle value. So the answer, the median is 4. The median is 4. So how about if I add one more number? 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, and add one more, 7. Now the n become even. If the total number of data is even, there are two middle value. Okay, try. We use this method easier. You see, we have two middle value. So how to determine the mean? How to determine the median? To get the median, we find the mean of these two middle value. It means that the median will be, okay, I write over here. The median will be 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2, which will give you 5. Okay, so if this is number of data is odd number, there's only one middle value, that is a median. If the number of data is an even number, there are two middle value. If we want to get the median, we have to find the mean of that two middle value. We take that two data plus together divided by 2. Okay, now let's look at how to get the median for this set of data. Sometimes we have a lot of data, we are not able to cut like this. So how do we get the median with a faster way? Okay, we can do this method. Now we look at the set A. Okay, let this data be set A. How to get the median? So the number of data is 5, right? So the median is equal to 5 plus 1. Always add 1 divided by 2. Okay, but you have to be more careful. This is not the median. Let's say 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, right? So it doesn't mean that the median is 3. The questions, this 3 is only telling you the locations of the data of the median. Okay, the position of the median. It means that the third data is a median. Then you have to go back to your original set of data. The first one, second one, the third one. So this is a median, which is 4. Okay, so be more careful when you use this method to help you to get the median. Okay, so now how about set B? Okay, let me use another color. Set B. Median. 6. The total number of data is 6. Okay, but be more careful. Before you determine the median, make sure you arrange all this data nicely in an ascending order or descending order. So 6, I take 6 plus 1. Every time you add 1, then divided by 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So every time when you get 0.5 like this, we know that to determine the median, we need to take two values plus together and you divide it by 2. So 3.5 is over here, 1, 2, 3, 3.5, right, over here, the middle. So we have to take the third value, which is 4, plus the fourth value, which is 6, and then divided by 2. So you will get 5 also. Okay, so this is 5, correct or not? 4, 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay, so this is another way use this formula to help us to get the locations or the positions of the median. Okay, so now let's go back to these questions. Okay, so now I'm going to show you two methods to get the median. So if the number of data is not a lot, we can use this method. Left you cut one, right you cut one. Keep on doing the same thing until you get the middle value. Okay, so this is a median. Number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me check again. Maybe some mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I think I missed out one data. Let me check again. I have 1 time of 3, 1 time of 4, 2 time of 5. Oh, sorry, my mistake. I should have 3 times of 6, right? 3 times of 6. Then 2 times of 11. And the last one is 13. Okay, let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Since that the number of data is 10, odd number of data, okay, let me write over here. 10, this is an even number. So we know there are two middle value. Okay, let's check. Cut here, 1. Here, left and right, do the same thing. This is a 2 middle value. So in order to get the median, we take these two values plus together divided by 2. So which is equal to RM6. So another way of getting the median is we use a formula to help us to get the position of the median. So the number of data is 10. I take 10 plus 1 divided by 2. Ten plus 1 is 11. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Oh, 5.5. But be extra careful. 5.5 is not the median. This just tells us the position of the median. Okay, every time you see 0.5, you know that we have to take two data, add up together, then divided by 2. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So it means that we have to take the fifth data plus the sixth data divided by 2. You get the same answer, which is equal to RM6. So this is the way. This is another way to get the median. When you have a lot of data, we are not able to do like this, cut left one, cut right one, because it takes a lot of time, right? So we use this one to help us to get the median, in a faster way. You can always check your answers by using a calculator. Okay, now take out your calculator, then you press this button, menu, then you choose the number 6, statistic. Okay, then press equal, one variable. Okay, now you can key in all the data. If you use a calculator to help you, you can key in this set of data before arrange or after arrange. Calculator know how to get it, the answer. Okay, let's try. We key in the data without arranging it. See whether we can get correct answer or not. 11 and 6, 5, 3, 6, 11, 6, 5, 4, 13. Okay, I think that the calculator should be able to get the answer even though we do not arrange it. Okay, then you press the option, one variable calculations. Let's check correct or not. So the mean is equal to 7. The mean is equal to 7. Okay, can you see it? The mean is equal to 7. And then we have a lot of data here. So the minimum value is 3. The maximum value is 13. Okay, then see the median. The median is 6. Okay, so this is one of the way to use the calculator to help us get the answers. But this is only for checking your answer. You still need to show your calculation. Okay, let's try this second question. Determine the mean, mode, and median. So now the data is given in the frequency table form. So how to get if the data is given in this form? Normally they will arrange, not normally, but every time they will arrange the data nicely for you. You see, from the smallest to the largest. Okay, now we can get mean, mode, and median this way. Find the mean first. So since this is a frequency table, I have 1 times of 1, 2 times of 2, 1 times of 3, and so on, right? Okay, how about before I show you this, let me transfer this data into this form first. I have 1 time of 1. I write 1 time. I have 2 times of 2. The frequency of 2 is 2. I write 2 times of 2. And then I have 1 times of 3. And then 3 times of 4. 1 times of 5. So this, if you transfer it in the frequency table form, then it will become like this. So let's say, if you are given data like this, to ask you to get mean, no problem, right? You take 1, plus 2, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 5, then divided by the total number of data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, right? Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 8, right? But actually, we can use another way if we are given in this frequency table form, which I show you the formula like this. You still remember what I showed you just now? Sum of fx divided by sum of f, which is the total frequency. Okay, f means the frequency, x is the data. So I have 1 times of x, right? 1 times of 1. So 1 times 1, frequency, data, plus I have 2 times of 2. I don't have to write 2 plus 2. I just write 2 times 2. 2 times of 2, fx. I have 1 times of 3. 1 times 3. I have 3 times of 4. I don't have to write 4 plus 4 plus 4. I can just write 3 times of 4, right? fx. And then I have 1 time of 5. Okay, so this is the meaning of this sum of fx. Take the frequency times the particular times the corresponding data, then you all add up together by divided by the total frequency. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. Will give us 8. So these two will give you exactly the same answer. Okay, so the answer, you just press the calculator, you should be able to get, let me check. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 12 plus 5. Okay, this is 25 divided by 8. So which is 3.125. Okay, 3.125. So how to get if normally we are not able, for example, we have no time. Normally, if the questions give you in this frequency table form, right, the data will have a lot, the total frequency a lot. So we are not able to list out every single data like this. This one I create myself just to show you if you transfer it to this form, how will it look like. But normally we do not use this method. Okay, when we are given a frequency table, we do not write this way. Then only we start to determine the mean, mode, and median. We just straight away get the answer from by using this frequency table. Okay, now we have determined the mean. Now we go to mode. Look at this. Mode is this, right? Frequency 3 times, which you see the most of the time we have 3 times, 1 times, 2 times, 1 time, 1 times. So the mode is 4. But we don't have a list like this. By just looking on the frequency table, we know the answer. Mode is a data which has a highest frequency. We look at the frequency row first. Frequency 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. So this is the one which has the highest, this is the highest frequency. But the answer is not 3. Mode is a data which has the highest frequency. So the mode is 4. Okay, the mode is 4. So some students might think this way. I ask a student to look at the row of frequency. They see this, let's say 1, 1, 1, 3 times of 1. So the mode is 1. It's not correct. The answer for mode we cannot take from the frequency. We have to take from this x. So the mode, the answer is over here. It's not from this row. Okay, so 4 is the data which has the highest frequency. So 4 is the mode. 4 is the mode. Okay, now let's try the last one. Median. Median is a data which is located in the middle, right? So 1, 2, this is 8, number of data 8. So we know this is an even number. There are 2 middle value, right? So let's try this method. 1, cut left 1, right, also do the same thing, keep on do the same thing until we get the middle value. Okay, we have 2 middle value. So how to get the median? We take these 2 plus together, divided by 2, which is equal to 3.5. So how about if we do not write all the data in this way? How to get the answer directly from the frequency table? So I will encourage you to add one more row and write position. Okay, we want to get the position of the data. So I have 1 times of 1, so I just write 1. So this is 1, the next will be 2. So I have 2 times of 2. So be careful, don't take 2 plus 2, but 1 plus 2, which is 3. So you see, the second data and the third data is actually 2, correct or not? The second and the third is actually 2. And this is 3, the next will be 4. Only 1, so we don't have to write the dash like this because only 1 data. Okay, the 4 after 4 will be 5. So the frequency is 3. So we have 3 times of 4. Don't take 5 plus 3, it's not correct. Take 4 plus 3, 7. You look at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is fifth one. The fifth, 6, 7, this 3, fifth, 6, 7 is actually 4, right? Okay, so the next one will be 8. So now we can start to get the median. The median is, since that the total number of data is 8, 8 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 3.8 plus 1 is 9, right? 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. 4.5 is tell us that we have to take the fourth data plus the fifth data, 4.5, right? The middle between 4 and 5, right? So we take the fourth data plus the fifth data divided by 2. The fourth data is over here, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus the fifth one, which is 4. You see, actually the same thing, you'll get divided by 2. So now this is the median, okay, which is 3.5. You get the same answer. So this is another way to help us to get the answer without listing all the data like this. In the exam, normally we don't have time to list out all the data like this. So I do this way just to show you, just to make you understand. So some students, they don't want to use this position. You can use another method, which is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means that you accumulate all the frequency together. For example, this one, you just write 1 plus 2, you get 3, 3 plus 1, you get 4, 4 plus 3, you get 7, 7 plus 1, you get 8. Always make sure the last one is the total frequency. So if this way also can. So let's say when we go to median, we know we want to get the third, the fourth plus the fifth, right? So from here, it means that the second and the third is this data. The fourth data is this, the fifth and the seventh is this, and the eighth data is this. So if I want to take the fourth data plus the fifth data, I just take this one plus this one, because the fifth and the seventh is this. So you take these two and up together divided by 2. So if you think using cumulative frequency will make you confused, you can use this position. Okay, up to you. So these two, if you understand, if you use it correctly, you will get exactly the same answer. Okay, for this video I stop here first. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you understand better after watching this video. Bye bye.